A zebra is a type of large mammal native to Africa. It belongs to the equid family, which also includes horses and donkeys. Zebras are known for their distinctive black and white striped coat patterns, which vary among different species and individuals. These stripes serve as a form of camouflage and provide protection against predators by making it difficult to single out an individual zebra from a distance. Zebras have manes along their necks, similar to horses, and they have tufts of hair on their tails. They are herbivorous animals, primarily feeding on grass and other vegetation. Zebras live in herds and are social animals, relying on cooperation and communication within their groups for survival. They can be found in various habitats, including grasslands, savannas, and even mountainous regions. Zebras are well-known symbols of the African wildlife and are admired for their beauty and unique appearance. The history of zebras dates back millions of years. The ancestors of modern-day zebras can be traced back to a group of grazing mammals called the equids, which emerged around 4 million years ago in North America. These early equids were smaller in size and lacked the distinctive black and white stripes seen in zebras today. Over time, these ancestral equids migrated to different parts of the world, including Africa. The zebras we are familiar with today are native to Africa and belong to the genus Equus, which also includes horses and donkeys. The evolution of the zebra's unique striped coat pattern remains a topic of scientific inquiry and speculation. It is believed that the stripes serve multiple purposes, including camouflage to confuse predators, temperature regulation, and social signaling within the herd. Zebras have played an important role in African cultures and history. They have been depicted in ancient rock art and carvings, showcasing their significance to indigenous peoples. In the wild, zebras have had to adapt to various environmental challenges and predation pressures, leading to the development of their social herd structures and defensive behaviors. European explorers and settlers first encountered zebras during their expeditions to Africa. They were initially puzzled by their distinct appearance and often referred to them as wild horses or tiger horses due to their striking stripes. Zebras gained recognition as a unique and iconic African species, capturing the fascination of people worldwide. In modern times, zebras continue to thrive in protected areas and national parks across Africa. Conservation efforts aim to preserve their natural habitats and protect them from threats such as habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. The history of zebras is intertwined with the rich tapestry of African wildlife and represents an integral part of the continent's natural heritage. These magnificent creatures continue to inspire awe and captivate the imagination of people around the world. Here are some facts about zebras. Striking stripes. Zebras are famous for their black and white striped coats, which are unique to each individual. The patterns act as camouflage, confusing predators and making it difficult for them to single out an individual zebra from a distance. Species diversity. There are 3 main species of zebras: the plains zebra, the Grevy's zebra, and the mountain zebra. Each species has distinct characteristics and inhabits different regions of Africa. Social animals. Zebras are highly social animals and usually live in small to large herds. These herds typically consist of a dominant male, known as a stallion, several females, and their young. Protective herds. Zebras have a unique defense mechanism called safety in numbers. By living in herds, they can watch out for each other, making it more difficult for predators to target an individual zebra. Unique family units. Within a zebra herd, smaller family units called harems form. A harem usually consists of a dominant stallion, a few mares, and their offspring. The stallion protects and mates with the mares in his harem. Energetic kicks. Zebras have powerful kicks that can fend off predators such as lions and hyenas. These kicks are delivered with their strong hind legs and can cause serious injury to potential threats. Herbivorous diet. Zebras are herbivores, feeding primarily on grasses and occasionally leaves, shoots, and bark. Their digestive system is highly adapted to digest tough plant material efficiently. Communication through sounds. Zebras communicate with each other using a variety of sounds, including barks, snorts, and brays. They also use body postures, facial expressions, and ear movements to convey messages. Migratory behavior. Some populations of zebras engage in seasonal migrations, traveling long distances in search of food and water. These migrations can involve hundreds or even thousands of zebras moving together. Vital ecosystem role. Zebras play a crucial role in their ecosystems as grazers. Their feeding habits help control vegetation growth, creating a more balanced ecosystem for other herbivores and maintaining grasslands. Adapted to harsh environments, zebras have adaptations that help them survive in harsh conditions. They have tough, rubbery lips that enable them to feed on thorny plants without injury, and their hooves are sturdy and well-suited for traversing various terrains. Grevy's zebra endangerment. The Grevy's zebra is the most endangered species of zebra. Their population has dramatically declined due to habitat loss, hunting, and competition with livestock for resources. These facts provide a glimpse into the intriguing lives and unique adaptations of zebras. They are beautiful and iconic creatures that add vibrancy to the African landscape and continue to captivate the imagination of people worldwide.